I guess I'm wondering, as we're talking about this, some of the industrial automation companies either have robotics or have recently acquired some form, whether it's warehouse robots or inspection robots. It's an area where they must have this issue of how, I need to apply computer vision to other aspects of my technology stack, and I've got this robot capability. So I guess there could be some interesting extension of that capability, because they have to think about it as a platform within their own businesses, right?
Yeah, that's right. And we are seeing some consolidation in this area. And I think you could probably expect the large automation providers to branch out more in this area, and acquire more, more companies, more expertise, and of course they have the ability to apply common, analytics and a common software platform across just about everything. So you definitely want to keep an eye on the big automation suppliers. I haven't focused a lot on them here. This is more of a specialty stuff that I'm talking about here. But they, Honeywell is a great example with Video Manager. I think everybody, every one of those big suppliers, Siemens, you mentioned Siemens earlier. I know Schneider is doing some stuff. So I think it's fair to assume that just about every large automation supplier is doing something in this area. Some are probably further ahead than others. The video analytics platform independent providers, I think, are quite interesting too. And again, as I mentioned before, these tend to be, a lot of startup companies, very software centric companies. I mean, this is all they're doing, right? They're developing analytics and AI based solutions to apply to anybody's cameras. And there are probably hundreds of companies out there doing this right now, right? Each one of those would have to be evaluated in terms of, long-term stability and what is their technology roadmap and what kind of alliances do they have, and, all these kind of things. I have a few names that I pulled up here too. We have names like Viact AI, VIACT, which is a scenario-based AI using video analytics. We have a company called Clarify, CLARIF AI, which offers a variety of computer vision APIs, including object recognition. Grecom, that's a cloud-based video management system. Videonetics, they sell video management solutions targeted at occupational health and safety, right, for real-time anomaly detection, so they can, find anomalies in pharma, oil and gas, refineries. Just tons of these platform independent companies that have sprung up now, just because of this promise of using analytics and AI and video and computer vision. I'm sure you probably saw a lot of these at Hanover also, if you were there.
Right. And I could have spent my whole trip looking at those solutions, and I did cherry pick a few to look at just to see kind of what they were doing that was innovative, if they caught my